Experiencing crashes or slow performance on your Xumo Stream box? Rebooting is often the quickest solution. A reboot clears short term memory and resets background processes that may be frozen. To reboot, hold the power button on your remote or device for 5 to 10 seconds until it shuts down. Unplug the device from the power outlet for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and power it on. This simple process can resolve unresponsive interfaces, stuck apps, and other temporary glitches, getting you back to streaming quickly. Rebooting the device weekly, as preventive maintenance, can reduce the number of crashes. If rebooting doesn't fully resolve the issues, clearing the cache is the next step. The cache stores temporary data for apps, but a buildup can lead to slowdowns or crashes. To clear the cache, navigate to Settings greater than Apps. Select the specific app causing problems, then go to Storage greater than Clear Cache. Doing this for apps like Netflix and Hulu can free up storage and remove corrupted data, preventing loops and improving streaming performance. For more severe or persistent issues, consider a factory reset as a last resort. However, remember that this will erase all your data. Clearing cache regularly can prevent unnecessary crashes.